Trans-Himalaya Communication and Social Development Forum is a successful conference. During the 2 days, many scholars from different parts of the Himalaya region gathered together to share views, to exchange views, and provide their own thoughts, different thoughts about how to construct a shared future community for the Trans-Himalaya region. I think it is just a start for us. We will still continue our discussion in the future. And I hope the fourth forum will further our concerns about issues in Himalaya region. However, I hope we can move ahead and collaborate together for a bright future. Thank you.